Hey guys, we have a new product to show you. Noise cancelling microphone. It has 3 buttons. The first one button is PWR buttons. You can place this button to power on and power off. The second one is PTT buttons. You can place this button after power on. The third one is PTT buttons. You can place these buttons after power off. Here is the microphone. In the back is the bell clip. Here is the charging port. And here is the port for you to connect with walkie-talkie. If you want to use this microphone, just connect with the earphone. We have 2 type cables. One is K-type cables connect with K-type walkie-talkie. The other one is N-type cables connect with N-type walkie-talkie. Just choose one to connect with your microphone and clip it to your collar neck, and then wear the earphone.